Hello, welcome back to the channel. My name's Dave, and today we're going to be changing the inner door handle on the Citroen C1. Reason behind it is it's a common problem with these cars. The interior part of the handle, the bit that you can't see, has actually snapped. So we're going to take the interior part off, we're going to swap it out for a brand new one. So upon initial investigation, it looks alright. It looks like a door handle that works, but if we pull this off, which isn't kept on very well, by the way, that's a job for another day, we can see it is sort of broke a little bit. I have tried to glue it, that's the crack that you heard, but that was a temporary measure. But yeah, that needs changing. Let's get that changed out. Okay, so as we can see here, we've got a great big massive crack right there, and it's only connected to itself between that tiny little bit there. So in order to change this out, there's a screw there, there's a screw just there. You undo those and it pops out of this clip here. So let's get that changed. Okay, so now that that's off, I'm just going to clean this area because that's a little bit minging and we might not be able to get to that at some point soon, and then we'll install the new one. Okay, so now that this area has been cleaned with Pure Definition's all-purpose cleaner, diluted 5:1, it's time to install the new inner door handle, and then we'll install the actual cover for the door handle, and that should be the job done. So in order to do that, take the new one, and these 3 clips go into these 3 holes. And then once we've done that, we've got the 2 screws, and that's the inner bit done. Okay, so that's the inner on. We can see that's already way stronger. So we should just be able to pop this the actual trim piece on. There we go. Job's a good one. Looks alright. Looks almost brand new. At some point in the future, I will be taking things like the interior trim piece off, this bit around the actual switch itself, some of the interior bezels like the vents, the tachometer, the cowling, that sort of thing. They will be going bodywork red just to match the rest of it. And yeah, but for now, that's the door handle sorted. So that's the interior door handle done. I mean, we can see it's in a pretty poor state of repairs now. It's almost beyond it. I mean, there are ways of means of repairing it. There is a video from one of the guys in the City Bug Club. I will put a link to his video in the description. He did a pretty good video on how to actually plastic weld it. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to bin this one because I've got a new one. In the meantime, though, I think that is the end of all the actual functional repairs on Project C1. The rest of it can now be like cosmetic upgrades and such things like that. In the meantime though, if you did like that video, you do the usual sort of thing, like, comment, share, subscribe, and a quick question for you all, where are you? YouTube Analytics tells me that only 25% of my entire viewing audience, all 37 of you at the moment, is in the UK, so I'd be interested to know where you actually are, so just drop where you are in the comments, just let me know, I'd be interested to know. That said though, ring the bell, and you'll be notified any future updates, and I'll see you in the next one.